Hello, just a mom trick here. How to replace this. All the videos said you have to take the radio out. You do not have to take the radio out. Start taking your vents and take this vent, but kind of connected, so take that off. Then this just pops out. I've already done the job. And to take the control knob off, this is the old one. It was not blowing, it wasn't changing speeds. So what you had to do, take a screwdriver, push down on this old tab to release the connector. I'm not going to do it again, sorry. It's really very easy. You don't have to spend an arm and a leg to fix your car. Consult YouTube. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Now my control button. It works. Now I am ready for the summer. Okay. Now, to put everything back, all I have to do is slide this in. It should just click in there. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed. This is a 2014 Rav4. I don't recommend them. I had to replace this radio right after I bought it a couple years ago. And if they tell you you don't need the steering wheel controls, they lied. Alright, this is in there. But like I said, if I can do it, so can you. And this you may need it. I don't have a trim tool. I use just like a, I don't remember what I used, but just something like a trim tool. But now it's all back together. Oh, we gotta snap this one back. I'll do it. Whoops. Something broke. One more thing. One more thing I have to fix on this car. Oh well, I hope it helps. But once I get this back together, then we'll be on the road. Bye. Happy summer.